Okay, so what you guys see is an 18 by 18 by 24 Thrive Terrarium. This brand is by PetSmart. Basically going to make it into a paludarium. So we're gonna have a divider here with water on this side and substrate on this side. We're going to do some backdrop, and pretty much everywhere there's going to be substrate. I'm going to do a backdrop on the sides. So from here all the way around to this line here. And what I'm going to do, I have some like maybe 2mm EPO foam, and I'm going to hot glue a small retaining wall here. And then what I'm going to use is some of this great stuff, Gaps and Cracks from Home Depot, and I'm going to line it with some rocks. So I'm going to line the Gaps and Cracks expandable foam with the rocks, and we're going to make a retaining wall that goes up higher than this ledge right here ideally, but we'll see where we're at when I'm done. So I'll see you when I return with that.